Alright, so we are in the same document that we used in the last video. So basically, last video we discussed about moving through visual lines, GI and GK. Well, today we're going to be converting these visual lines to logical lines using GQ. Alright, so just like G, but it's going to replace it with actual logical ones. So GQ, that's going to format the current line, and I do this again. Just like GG, which deletes the entire document, has to be started with GG, of course, and CG, which deletes and puts you into insert mode. You can do the same. GQ, going to format the entire document. G capital G is going to format the entire document from visual lines to logical lines. You can also use this with visual mode and all that, just like how you would use D or C, whatever. Alright, that's all.